talking about housework. Are you going to sit on the couch all evening?
Maybe. Why?
Because you never help me around the house.
That isn't true.
Then tell me, what did you do today?
I took out the trash.
Yes, you did, and that's all.
I worked all day.
I worked as well.
I know, but I'm really tired.
I'm tired too.
I didn't say you weren't.
After work, I cooked dinner. Then I cleaned the kitchen.
I know.
I did the laundry. I cleaned the bathroom.
I didn't know that.
And I vacuumed the living room.
You did a lot today.
Exactly.
I guess you're right.
I don't want to do everything by myself.
I'm sorry.
I just want a little help.
You're right. I should help more.
Thank you.
What can I do now?
Can you help me make dinner?
Of course.
And after dinner, can you put the dishes in the dishwasher?
Yes, I can do that.
Really?
Yes, and tomorrow I'll help even more.
I'll be happy if you do.
I will, I promise.
Good. Now come to the kitchen.
I'm coming.
Time for a new laptop. Tom, what's wrong? You look upset.
I'm getting really tired of this laptop.
Is it freezing again?
Yes, it happens almost every day.
That doesn't sound good.
I'm trying to finish my work, but the laptop is so slow.
Does it stop working?
Yes, sometimes I have to wait a few minutes.
That must be annoying.
It is. Everything takes much longer.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Yes, I tried that yesterday.
Did it help?
Not at all.
Maybe it's time to buy a new laptop.
I'd like to, but we're saving money for a new car.
I know.
I don't want to spend too much right now.
I saw a great sale today.
Really?
Yes, the electronics store has 30% off laptops, TVs, and other electronics.
That sounds interesting.
You might find a good laptop for a good price.
Maybe.
Wait a second. I'll show you the sale on my phone.
Okay.
Look, these laptops are all 30% off.
Wow, these prices are much better.
I told you.
This one looks really nice.
I think it would be perfect for you.
Maybe you're right.
Why don't we go to the store and have a look?
Would you come with me?
Of course.
Great.
Give me 5 minutes to get ready.
No problem.
Then we'll choose the best one together.
I can't wait.
Soon you'll have a new laptop and working will be much easier.
I really hope so. Eye examination. Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning.
What brings you here today?
I think my eyesight is getting worse.
What makes you think that?
It is harder to read small words.
Anything else?
Yes, things far away don't look very clear.
I see.
I also get headaches sometimes.
How long have you had these problems?
For about 2 months.
Okay. Let's check your eyes. Please sit here.
Okay.
First, cover your left eye.
Like this?
Yes. Now read the letters.
E, F, P, T.
Very good. Now the next line.
L, O, I think D?
That's okay. One more line.
I'm sorry, I can't read it.
Is it blurry?
Yes, everything is blurry.
All right. Now cover your right eye.
Okay.
Please read the letters again.
E, F, P.
And the next line?
I can't see it very well.
No problem.
Is something wrong?
Let's do one more test.
Okay.
Please look into this machine and don't move.
Okay.
Good. I'm done.
So, what do you think?
You have a small vision problem.
Is it serious?
No, not at all.
That is good to hear.
You just need glasses.
Will I have to wear them all the time?
No, I recommend wearing them when you read or watch TV.
Okay.
I will write your prescription.
Thank you.
Then you can choose your glasses.
Great. Thank you very much.
Mom's visit. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Tom.
It's so nice to see you.
It's nice to see you, too.
Come in.
Thank you.
Do you need help with your bags?
Yes, please. They are a little heavy.
What did you bring?
I made a chocolate cake for everyone.
Mom, you didn't have to.
I know, but I wanted to.
We all love your cake.
I'm happy to hear that. Where is Sarah?
She went to the supermarket. She'll be back soon.
Oh, okay. And where are the children?
They're still at school.
I can't wait to see them.
They will be very happy to see you.
I brought a few toys for them.
Mom, you really didn't have to buy anything.
I know, but I wanted to surprise them.
They will love them.
I miss them so much.
They miss you too.
I don't see them often enough.
I know. We should visit you more.
Or you can invite me more often.
You're right.
So, what are we doing today?
This evening, we're going to have a barbecue.
That sounds great.
I bought burgers, sausages, and some vegetables.
Perfect. Do you need any help?
Not now. Everything is ready.
Okay.
Sit down and relax. I'll make you a cup of coffee and cut the cake.
That sounds lovely. I'm really happy to be here.
We're happy you're here too. Packing a care package. What are you doing?
I'm packing a box for Emma.
Really?
Yes, I'm going to send it today.
What are you putting in the box?
I made tomato soup for her.
Tomato soup?
Yes, I put it in a glass jar.
That's a nice idea.
I also baked a cake.
She'll love that.
I hope so.
What else are you sending?
Some apples, bananas, and oranges.
That's a lot of food.
I know.
Why are you sending so much?
Emma is very busy with college.
That's true.
She studies all day.
She told us she has a lot of exams.
Exactly.
She probably doesn't have much time to cook.
That's why I made a few meals for her.
I'm sure she'll be happy.
I packed some snacks, too. Her favorite cookies and some nuts.
She always liked those.
I know.
Aren't you worried the soup will go bad?
No, everything is packed very well.
Okay. When will Emma get it?
I'm going to the post office in a few minutes to send it. She should get it this evening.
That's fast.
I know. That's why I'm not worried about the food.
Then everything should be fine.
I think so, too. The wrong bill at the restaurant. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I think there is a mistake on my bill.
Really? Let me see.
I ordered 1 coffee, 1 orange juice, and 1 spaghetti.
Okay.
But the bill says 3 orange juices.
Oh, you're right.
I only had 1.
I'm very sorry about that.
That's okay. Mistakes happen.
Let me check the order on the computer.
Sure.
Yes, I can see the problem now.
What happened?
I accidentally added the orange juice 3 times. I'm really sorry.
No problem.
I'll fix it right now.
Thank you.
Here is your new bill. The total is £18.50.
Great. It looks correct now.
I removed the 2 extra orange juices.
Thank you for fixing it.
Again, I'm very sorry for the mistake.
Don't worry. Mistakes happen.
Thank you for understanding.
I'd like to pay by card, please.
Of course.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.